Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so as to receive updates whenever I post. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install WordPress theme step by step. Let's dive in. Go to your browser and log into your WordPress website. Okay, so after that, go to Appearance and click on Themes. Then click on Add New and search for Astra theme. Astra theme is one of the best themes I've been using for so long now. It is responsive. It is very good to use. Just click on Install and wait for it to install. Click on Activate. Go to Plugin and click on New, Add New. Search for Astra Starter. It is by Brainstorm Force. So if you click on it, so what you need to do now is click on Install Now. Click to activate. Yes, after that, now go to your Appearance and click on Starter Template. Okay, as you can see, these are the premium and free themes. A lot of them. Some are paid and some are free. And right here, if you come right here, you can see these are the page builder we have: Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, and Breezy. So the best out of the four is Elementor, which we'll be using. So to view the free templates, just come right here and click on Free. So here are the free ones to use. You can just check the one that is suitable for your website. But the most one I used is Mountain, which is this. This is my favorite. I've been using this for a very long time now. It is customizable, and you know it is website friendly. You know, as you can see. And with this theme, with this template, you can use it to build any kind of website. Just name it, be it blog, be it professional websites or normal websites, be it e-commerce websites, any kind of website. You can use this theme, this template, to customize it. Yes. So to install it, just click on Import Complete Site. Okay, so right here, click on Import now. Okay, good. Our site has been imported successfully. So you can click on View Site now. So you can see our site has changed totally. And if you see right here, we have the logo of the website, we have the home, home menu, we have the about menu, we have the services, the contacts, this big call to action, we have the header text here, we have a call to action here, services, and about us call to action. If you scroll down, you see we have service 1, service 2, service 3, and we have some text right here with a call to action. We have another call to action here. We have some portfolio picture right here. If you click on it, it's gonna show up, and you can view, as you can see. So then we have the footer here, that's the base. We have the logo, the social media icons, then we have all this right here. So that's it, guys. That's how to install WordPress theme on your website. So to go back, just come right here and click on dashboard. So that's it, guys. That's how to install WordPress theme on your website. So if you have any question relating to this tutorial, please kindly drop it in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all. Again, before you go, please kindly click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. See you in the next tutorial.